right, super exciting day at Desert King Windows. We are picking our $25,000 winner. So to be in the contest, you had to get at least an estimate from Desert King Windows between January and the beginning of May 2025 for our 25-year anniversary. So we're giving away 25,000 bucks. Let's see who the winner is. We had over 500 entries. Let's get one in there. John Pugsley. So John Pugsley is the winner of the 25,000 bucks. Let's go tell him. All right, so we're heading to the winner's house. The winner of the $25,000 giveaway. Super excited for this. Been looking forward to this for, well, since we started this thing, 6 months ago. Really looking forward to it. This particular customer that we drew was, I couldn't have asked for a better customer for this to happen. Awesome guy. I think I've spoken to him one time for all of this, but he's awesome guy. So very deserving. You know, we told him that we're coming out there to take some pre-pictures, before pictures, pre-testimonial kind of a thing. I have no idea what we're going to surprise him with, so really excited about it. He actually bought windows from us years ago. He recently purchased a new property right in here, and he's moving and he's doing a lot of changes to it. And so he called us up. He's actually referred us to many different customers. So it's really, it's really cool that we get to give back to them. I think this is something that we do want to do periodically. I don't know if it's going to be an annual thing going forward. Maybe it will be, but at least at the 5-year marks, I don't see why we wouldn't. We've had a lot of success in the last 25 years of being in business, and it's nice to be able to take care of some of the people that are helping us with that success. So we decided to do the $25,000 giveaway because we wanted to do something to really celebrate that milestone. I mean, 25 years, that's a quarter of a century that we've been in business, and not a whole lot of family-owned and operated companies can say that. I mean, we want to do something big and something that people would celebrate, and so I think 25,000 bucks for 25 years in business, I thought would I thought would be a really big splash. 5 years, when you hit like a milestone like that, it really kind of makes you think back on, God, how far this has come. It's kind of humbling to see where it all came from. You look around, you see these businesses, and you're like, you don't know their story. You wonder where it all came from back in 07, 08, 09, and all of that. And that's kind of when I started, my career. The struggles then, and the immediate following years, and then being able to flourish from there. The company was divided up at one point too. When me and my father, purchased Phoenix and Tucson. Just how far that's all gone, it was just, yeah, it's humbling. It's crazy to look back on. All right, we're here to surprise the $25,000 winner. Super excited for this.
Oh, Jason.
Hey, how's it going?
Nice to see you. You got Colby with you?
Yes, how are you? How are you?
Good to see you. Now, come out here real quick. I know we have you doing a testimonial for us and some before pictures, but kind of under false pretenses a little bit here, because you are actually the $25,000 giveaway winner. Huh?
Whoa!
So it should go a long way.
That is wonderful.
Congratulations. I hope that they cash that check, so we'll see what happens.
I want to cash that check. Yes.
There you go.
That's a little big for my wallet.
Yeah,
right? Hope you have a big wallet.
I love it.
Can you take us around and show us what you're doing?
Sure, come on in.
Wow, well, you can see we've totally rebuilt this house. From all the walls that were here originally are gone, and new structural beams are in here, and all of the windows are going to change. And with the view we have, you can see it's going to be absolutely lovely. So,
oh yeah.
So the kitchen, this was the dining room at one point.
Yeah.
And we had glass windows. Remember, Colby? We had glass windows all along here. And so this was all dining room. Now this is going to be kitchen from this point all the way over to where Shelley is. This will be all kitchen.
All kitchen.
All kitchen. All
What a
kitchen.
project. Wow.
All kitchen. And then one of the things that Kobe suggested we do, this window up here, we're taking the window out and those will be 2 sliders. So we're taking the outside, inside.
Yeah, this section all gets removed here, and then you're gonna do a nice big sliding glass door. So instead of a window, you can actually use it functioning as a door. So we also have some windows that are being adjusted on this side here too. So we're making some changes here, and I believe you're gonna be doing some cabinetry, right?
Right.
This will all be like a beverage bar.
Yeah,
A beverage bar.
it's going to be really an open space, and it's a very open floor plan, as you can see.
This is gonna be gorgeous.
It's going to be lovely.
Yeah, there used to be actually 2 rooms, and so now you can see it's one big great room. So it really opens it up. You have views of the golf course really from anywhere that you stand in the home, which is beautiful.
So we'll have to have a bottle of champagne, Kobe.
Ooh, yes, things to make that happen.
Well, I like the check, but a bottle of champagne.
Yeah, right. That too.
Let's hold this up here. That's fine.
Well, and the relationship doesn't stop when you get your windows either. So
Right.
we keep it going. So, and just knowing that you guys are going to live here and that you're going to have the finished product, I think that's amazing too.
I've had a history with you, as you know, the house next door I did 9 years ago. And I can remember when you came over a few months ago to test the argon, see if there's anything left in that window.
Right.
And we did it over there, and
Yep.
I think it was 187 here, and the measurement on the inside of the house was like 72 or 3.
Yep.
And then we came over here and did these windows.
Yeah.
And you may remember it was 187 outside and 187 inside.
That's right.
So it really wasn't doing the job.
So you're saying that the windows work?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
That's what we
right.
keep trying to tell everybody.
It's hard to replicate that until you see it, right? Once
you
you
see
see it and you go, wow, this is amazing. Yeah, and we did both houses just to show, just the impact that it'll have.
And I like that because the glass is a tad bit thicker, one of the 2.
Yep, absolutely.
Is the spacing the same?
The spacing is the same, yeah.
Basically the same.
Yeah, so you have the same amount of argon gas in there, but you have a little bit thicker glass.
Now, what's the life of argon gas? I mean, truthfully, it can't
So
last
truthfully,
forever.
now they do actually test this. So they go into these chambers basically, and they kind of test it. It's supposed to simulate like 30 years of extreme weatherization. Throws water at it, that kind of thing. A lot of heat and cold differentials. To consider it an argon-filled window, it has to go into the chamber at least 90% full and come out of the chamber at least 70% full. Ours went into the chamber 95% full, came out 94% full.
Wow.
So it works very, very well. The dissipation is actually, believe it or not, directly through the glass.
That's what I would
Glass is
think. It's
porous,
gonna
yeah.
come
It
through
doesn't
the
go
glass.
anywhere else. It's directly through glass. So that's actually how that works. So that's the window nerd version.
And I like that warranty.
Yeah, gotta love the warranty.
Because we are on a golf
We
course
are on a
here.
golf
Oh, on a golf course.
Yeah.
Like you're saying, at least it's a good thing you're on the left side of the golf course.
Jason, if we were on that side over there, we'd be plummeting those windows.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm not
exactly.
recommending any of those people.
I'd have to leave my card over there when
Right.
I correctly. Yeah.
None of those people are on our list.
No, we like to be on the left side, right?
Well, thanks very much.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Thank you
Thank
guys
you
so
guys.
much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. It's great meeting
So
you.
much. Wonderful
Say
meeting
hello-
you.
Say hello to your
I will.
family.
I will.
Please do. Say hello to them.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
That was fun. That was a ton of fun. It was great meeting John. He's an awesome customer, and obviously, I mean, you saw him. Great couple. It was definitely a really, really fun experience. Really enjoyed it. So that's it for us. Thank you guys for everybody for participating. All the entries we had, I think it was over 500 entries. So thank you to everybody for that, and stay tuned for the next one.
Best windows, 'cause nothing works better. Desert King Windows, we knock out the weather.